leaving Northern Ireland, headed to Scotland. Don't know the town in Scotland. What's the town?
I don't know how to say it. It's like Cairnryan. Cairnryan. But we're going to get on the Stena Line ferries that we booked online right now with all the rest of the cars and the diesels, or trolleys as they call them. It's funny to see the different setups they have for each. Oh, they got kennels for doggies. To see the setup they have for each different ferry. Like, this is the first one we've seen that has the bars.
Yeah. So this one is not as big as our last one.
Our last one was kind of weird. It had
it was huge.
The way you parked in it was really strange.
Pulled in, you turn around while you're in and on the boat.
Yeah, and then, like, they had diesels just crammed in there. It was very interesting.
Much more
streamlined almost.
Handle
All right, we're gonna get out.
We just got off our ferry in Scotland. We're driving north towards the town of Glasgow, but before we get there, hopefully find a spot to sleep because it's 2 o'clock in the morning and we are tired.
So we got off the ferry in Scotland last night and we drove about 35 kilometers to this spot. Found it on park for a night so that we could park for the night and sleep. I want to kind of show you the setup. See how you cannot see in. Sheet that pretty much blocks all that. There's Steve still in bed. And we put up here is where we put the seat. We have all our toiletries back there. And then in the morning, we just roll this up, pick up the seats, and put our sheet down. Which is morning, so Steve has to get up. And we also put this sheet to kind of block from that, which is why you couldn't see at all. If this was off, let's see how you could see. Oh yeah, you could definitely see it. You could see the person sleeping and you could see my bright sleeping bag. So we're having 2 pork, 2 beef sausages, 2 fruit pudding sausages, and 2 black pork pudding. Which is Irish sausages. I'm not going to tell Steve what they are until after we eat them.
up there next to the RV, and we're going to start our hike on the Lost Valleys Trail. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our video, Hiking the Lost Valleys Trail, to see our first adventure in Scotland. Join us on a trip of a lifetime by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to like and share this video with others.
Also, hear the hilarious behind the scenes through our blog and see the amazing places we visit by following us on Instagram. We hope to have ignited a spark in you to get you out and explore the wonders of our world.
See you next time.